Bring your indoor plants to life with the second-generation AP Remote Smart Emotion Robot Flower Pot, an innovative AI-inspired planter designed to make plant care more interactive, fun, and effortless. Combining smart technology with an expressive animated display, this intelligent flower pot transforms ordinary houseplants into charming companions. Whether you're decorating your home, office, bedroom, or workspace, this Wi-Fi-enabled smart planter adds personality, convenience, and modern style to any environment. Unlike traditional flower pots, this smart planter features an expressive digital face that displays a variety of emotions and animations based on its status and interactions. It creates a unique connection between you and your favorite plants, making indoor gardening more engaging for adults and children alike. Please note that plants are not included, allowing you to choose your favorite flowers, succulents, herbs, or decorative plants. Intelligent Smart Plant Companion. The AP Remote Smart Emotion Robot Flower Pot is more than just a container for your plants. It's an interactive companion. Its animated LED display showcases adorable facial expressions, playful reactions, and emotional animations that brighten your day. Whether it's smiling, blinking, sleeping, or reacting to touch and movement, the expressive display makes caring for your plants feel entertaining and rewarding. The second-generation design offers smoother animations, faster responsiveness, improved hardware performance, and enhanced connectivity compared to previous models. Wi-Fi connectivity with app control. Stay connected to your smart planter from anywhere using the dedicated mobile application. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor and manage various functions directly from your smartphone. The intuitive app allows you to customize settings, access smart features, and receive helpful reminders for plant care. App features may include remote device management, smart watering reminders, environmental monitoring, animation customization, firmware updates, device synchronization, personalized notifications, multiple planter management. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, your smart flower pot stays connected to keep your plant care routine organized. Interactive emotional display. One of the most exciting features is its expressive emotional interface. The built-in digital display creates a lifelike personality through animated facial expressions that respond to different situations. Expressions may include happy, sleepy, curious, excited, relaxed, thinking, greeting, dancing, blinking, celebration animations. These interactive expressions transform your plant into a delightful desk companion that brings smiles throughout the day. Smart home decoration. Designed with a sleek, modern appearance, the smart planter complements almost any interior decor style. Whether your home features minimalist, Scandinavian, contemporary, gaming, or futuristic aesthetics, this intelligent flower pot fits beautifully into your living space. Ideal locations include living room, bedroom, office, desk, study, table, reception area, coffee shop, library, workspace, children's room, gaming setup, studio, kitchen, windowsill. Its clean lines and animated display instantly become a conversation starter wherever it is placed. Automatic plant care assistance. Taking care of indoor plants becomes easier with smart reminders and intelligent monitoring. While it doesn't replace proper gardening, it serves as a helpful assistant that encourages consistent plant care habits. Depending on the model and app features, it can assist with watering reminders, care notifications, plant growth tracking, daily interaction, smart scheduling, environmental awareness, maintenance reminders. This makes it especially useful for beginners who are learning how to care for houseplants. Fun for the whole family. The emotional robot flower pot is enjoyable for users of all ages. Children love its expressive personality, while adults appreciate its smart functionality and decorative appeal. Watching the animated face react throughout the day makes plant ownership much more engaging. Perfect for kids learning responsibility, families, students, office workers, plant enthusiasts, tech lovers, smart home users, gift recipients. It encourages healthy plant care habits while adding a playful touch to everyday life. Improved second-generation design. The second-generation model introduces several upgrades for a smoother and more enjoyable user experience. Enhancements include faster processor, improved Wi-Fi stability, more expressive animations, better display quality, enhanced app compatibility, smoother interface, optimized power efficiency, reliable performance, refined overall design. These improvements provide a more responsive and enjoyable interactive experience. Perfect gift idea. Searching for a unique and memorable gift? This smart emotion flower pot is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, housewarmings, graduations, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, or special celebrations. A thoughtful gift for plant lovers, tech enthusiasts, smart home fans, office co-workers, friends, family members, students, teachers, garden hobbyists, children. Its combination of technology and creativity makes it stand out from ordinary home decor gifts. Compatible with various plants. Since no plant is included, you have complete freedom to personalize your planter with your favorite greenery. Suitable for succulents, cactus, herbs, mini flowers, decorative plants, lucky bamboo, small indoor plants, artificial plants, bonsai seedlings, mini foliage plants. You can easily swap plants to match different seasons or decor styles. Easy to set up. Getting started is simple and user-friendly. Basic setup includes connect the planter to power, download the companion app, connect the device to your Wi-Fi network, add your favorite plant, customize animations and settings. Enjoy your interactive smart planter. The straightforward installation process allows you to begin using the planter within minutes. Energy-efficient operation designed for everyday use. The planter operates efficiently while delivering continuous animations and smart connectivity. Its optimized electronics help reduce unnecessary power consumption, making it suitable for long-term indoor use. Why choose this smart robot flower pot? Second generation upgraded model, interactive emotional display, Wi-Fi smart connectivity, AP remote control, modern minimalist design, smart plant care reminders, fun animated facial expressions, excellent home decor piece, great educational tool for children, ideal desk companion, beginner friendly operation, suitable for homes and offices, supports a wide variety of plants, wonderful gift for all ages, easy setup and maintenance. Package includes one-time second generation smart emotion robot flower pot, USB power cable, model dependent, user manual. Plants are not included. Add intelligence to your indoor garden. Turn ordinary plant care into an enjoyable daily experience with the AP remote smart emotion robot flower pot second generation. Featuring expressive animated emotions, Wi-Fi connectivity, app-based remote control, and intelligent plant care assistance, this innovative planter combines technology, creativity, and modern home decor in one delightful package. Whether you're growing a tiny succulent, displaying colorful flowers, or simply adding personality to your workspace, this smart planter makes every plant feel alive while bringing warmth and charm to your surroundings.